On reliable information, a team of Imphal East Commando Unit led by Imphal East Commando Unit OC Commando Inspector KH Henry Singh and Haingang Police Station OC Inspector KH Patho Mite along with a column of 16 Assam Rifles under the overall supervision of Imphal East SP M Pradeep Singh and under the command of Additional SP Operations Imphal East has arrested one of the underground outfit while conducting frisking and checking, cordon and search operation in different areas of Manipur and Koirengai along the National Highway 39 yesterday evening. The team also recovered cache of arms and ammunition, 19mm pistol Glock along with magazine, 19mm pistol along with magazine, 1.22 pistol Walther along with magazine, 19mm pistol along with magazine, 33 numbers of 9mm ammunitions, 10 numbers of .22 ammunitions, 1 scooter Honda Activa, grey in color bearing registration number MN06SA3010 and 1 mobile handset. The arrested person has been identified as 44-year-old Mayingbam Amarjit Singh, son of late M. Ibomcha Singh of Pangaltabi, Chairin Lamkhai under Suknu Police Station at present Langul Game Village, Zone 3, Imphal West. He was arrested from Lamkhai near auto rickshaw parking around 5:35 p.m. The team recovered the arms and ammunition from Langul Game Village, Zone 3, Imphal West. The arrested person and the seized articles have been handed over to Haingang Police Station for further necessary legal action, said Imphal East SP KH Henry Singh.
Of the Commando Imphal East, headed by the OC Commando Imphal East, accompanied by OC Haingang and assisted by the team of 16 Assam Rifle, intercepted a person named Mayingbam Amarjit within the Haingang PS jurisdiction in the locality of Khabam Lamkhai around the time 5:30 p.m. Upon intercession and on his disclosure, on further search at his residence located in the Langol Game Village, 3 9mm pistols along with 33 live ammunitions, another .22 pistol with 10 live ammunitions were recovered from his disclosure, and the formalities for his arrest and seizures were executed at that place, and for further legal formalities, the person along with the seized item will be handed over